Now we will show you how to operate this measurement divers. Turn on the button. Okay, this is the home, company name and address. The test result, test unit, temperature, humidity. Set your company name. You can from here. Enter your name in this place and enter the address. Okay. Here we can set in time. This is the real-time voice broadcast. The Bluetooth printer. GPS language. Here you can set the language English, Chinese. Now let's begin to calibrate the retroreflectometer. First, we need to calibrate the blank color. Keep the blank color calibration board the same direction as our divers and press the calibrate button. Choose blank color and now turn the calibrate button. Now wait a second. Okay. Now let's calibrate the white color. The same operation. Choose the white color first. Here. And press the calibrate button. Okay, now we finish the calibration. Now let's begin to test. Turn to home screen and press the test button. Okay.
381.0. 381.0. 381.5.
Okay, after test the retroreflection, don't forget to turn off our divers.
$380.4.
Okay, see this Bluetooth button and this Bluetooth logo. That means the printer is ready. And now find the test result and print. Okay, you can see the measurement record right now and print it. Okay, after you finish, turn off the printer. Okay. And turn off this button. And turn off the divers.